Welcome to my channel. First of all, I would like to thank you all my subby for your support. If you're new here, welcome. I'm really excited to share with you this item today. This item, I have eye on it for a long time and I really want to get it, but I didn't have any luck when I went to the store to try it on, but luckily I got this. I got this last week, but I didn't have time to open it, so I keep it until today. And when last week when I browsed on Hermès website and I saw this one and on my size, so that's why I placed an order right away, because I know this will be sold out quick. So let me open it to share with you, because as I mentioned, every time I went to the store and you know Hermès, they never have not a lot of stock. So every time I went there, I want to try it on, but they don't have any of them in any color in my size. So for me to try it on to see how it fit. But last month when I visit my sister, and my sister got it, and I tried on because we have same size. So so I tried on my sister. Then I know exactly what size I need to get. So that's why when I saw it on Hermès website, and I placed an order right away. Oops, sorry. I need to cut this one. Open it. I didn't open it. You know, it's not a bag or any. It's a shoes, as you see on the title of the video. And when you, as usual, when you order online, the bottle, you have the white box outside, and inside is the orange box. And when inside of the white box, on the top you have the Hermès building. It's so pretty. I love Hermès package. I think Hermès package is the best package. And this is how it came, and with the orange box. This is the receipt, and let's see, they have, okay, I will show you later. And this is the orange box with the brown ribbon, and it's so pretty. Let's open it. I'm really excited, and let's see, here we go. When you order shoe, you have a tube, this bag like this, and I don't know, like every single like when you get a bag from Hermès, you have this bag. You have even the lipstick, they have the tiny this bag to cover it. But when you get the brush, there are no this bag. And you have even the perfume, they have those back. Even the tiny little bracelets, they have those back. But when you order the small leather goods, none of them have this back. I don't know why. Even the wallet on chain is cost more than $2,000. It doesn't come with the dust bag either. I wish Hermès make like every single one of their product and have a dust bag. And this is, oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm excited. Here we go. This is the shoe, and come with two dust bag. And this is the shoe is called legend sandal. This is in gold color, and this is the wedgie, you see. And my true size is 7 US, and most of the shoes I have is in 7, but in the sandal, large sandal, the flat one, I wear is in 7, like 37. But this one I have to go down half size, is 36 and half, because I try on my sister's shoes and it fit me perfectly. Because you know, when it's flat, when the letter is straight out, the flat one is not straight. It's straight a little bit, but not much. But this one, when it's straight, your feet will go like you slide down. So you better go down one like half size. I try on my sister's shoes, and she is perfect. So when I saw this one on Hermès website, I placed an order right away, and I love this style. And you know, on the bottom of the shoes, you have like tiny little piece of rubber here, and here is just flat, like a hard, I don't know, like look like a what they call platter, and like hard, but it's slippery. I will print to the shoe store and ask them to put another insole on the bottom, because that's how my sister did it. Okay, she said if I don't do it, it will very slippery. She slipped on one time, so that's why she did it. And this shoe is made in Italy, and in here they have Hermès Paris right here. In the middle of the shoe, you can see it look like a cushion. It's very soft, and on the top is just the leather, and the same color with the H on the top. And it's a very pretty shoes, because I saw all my friends wearing it, and I want to get the blue one, not blue one, the black one and the white one also, but they don't. Every time I went to the website or went to the store, they never have the size. But now I buy this one, and maybe I can ask my SA to get for me the black one and the white one, because I really love it. And on like up here on the buckle is in the platinum hardware in white. I never see it's in gold hardware. It's only white, I think. And it's very pretty, like small. And this shoe is very classic, and I wish the Hermès have more like dress shoe that like this one, and the orange sandal, and the one with the heel, and the one another sandal, but like the big heel, like on the back like this. I love that style too, but they never have on my size. So I will ask my SA to see how if he can get it to me. And this is retail for $870 plus tax, and this is in gold color. And I believe they only have 3, or they have the like the in exotic leather too, and they have in like look like a hair, the black with the hair skin. And that's all I see. Cause last time when I went to the store, I saw the croc, the one with the croc skin, is very pretty. But I don't like that. But they don't have my size, so I don't know how it fits. So that's why I don't want to ask my SA to order for me, because I I want to make sure which one exactly. I don't want to cause too many trouble. And you know, in the front, it looks like they have an the insole like in the back also right here. It's very soft, and I already tried it on with my sister's shoe. My sister's shoe, she got like 3 weeks old. She got, and she wear only like 3 weeks. So I try it, and I love it. And yeah, that's it. What else I can tell you, because I will let you know how I feel about this one. I will try this week so I can see how I feel. Then I can ask my SA to get me another two, like white and the black, because I really want the black one. But the white one I can wait until the next summer, because now summer is over. I cannot wear white. Even I get it, I cannot wear it. So I will wait for the white one later. But if he can get me both black and white, I will get it. I will take it. But this is what I have for today, and it was just very short video because I got it last week, but I received it last week, but I didn't have time. As I mentioned, since my father had passed away in August, I didn't have any strength to shop or to do anything. So this one is the first, actually not the first, the second item that I purchased after my father had passed away. And I will let you know how I feel about it. And I think this is the really pretty shoe for the price. Is almost like $900. That includes tax. It's pricey, but it worth it, because as you know, I'm not a really big fan of the design, like high-end design shoes, because I think just, you know, shoes you walk on the street and it's on the dirty floor, and it's, to me, that's why I didn't go crazy about this like design shoe. But I only have like three shoes, two from Chanel, this one, and one from Louis Vuitton. That's all I have. But after I saw my sister and all my friends have this, and I really want to get it, so I'm 100% sure I will get the black one and the white one also. That's it for today, and thank you so much for your time to watch my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and bye bye. I see you in next video.